going?
It's going.
Oh, hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have this is a bag of sorts, and it says it's the, wow, I can't even pronounce it, but it's a cleaning bag. It's to carry all your cleaning supplies and stuff around in. So I'll show you what it looks like and how it works and stuff. And so, I'm not sure, that's probably the bottom for it. So we have the bag here, and I guess I'll put this in the bottom. Look at that, how smart was I that was right. So this is what the bag looks like here. So you have a bag with a handle. I have one of these kind of same things for my tools, but this would be for cleaning supplies. So let's see, how would we connect this up here? Probably like this. Oh, it's weird the way it's connected here. And then put it here. So there we go. So now we have a handle so we can carry it like this if we want to, and whatever, but we have a lot of pockets in this thing. So this thing is the pocket king of stuff. Inside of here, you see we have these that kind of come out to be squares, so we can put things in that. We have all four. Well, do we have a fourth one? We do, sort of, but it's got a clip over it. There we go, clips in the way. There we go. So now we have, 4 sections there and a big long one there. We have a little clip here so we can clip it onto stuff like that. So if we wanted to take something with us that we didn't want to lose, like our cleaning rag, right here. I'll show you guys some of this stuff. Let's see what we got here. So we have cleaning things. So if we have cleaning stuff, so I'll put my cleaning rag on here. So I always have this thing handy wherever I'm at, and I'll just keep that in that square. I will have my Dawn dish soap in here, my other items here. I can put my different brushes and stuff on the sides here. I can have things, this one here, if I wanted to put something that I, certain little cleaning rags or whatever that I didn't want anybody to get to or whatever. While I'm doing my cleaning chores, I could put some stuff in there as well. Check out the other side here. We have more big pockets and a little mesh pocket here for certain things. Even comes with a little clip here. We have another pocket here. This one here is a zipper pocket. So that's probably where I'll put my charger, something like that, my phone charger or something like that, where, so I always have one of those handy. So I can keep it there. And then we have a big old pocket on the side here. So you really have the ability to put, everything in this thing. I'm just gonna take some more of these kitchen items here. And not that we would be using it for the kitchen stuff, but you get the idea of cleaning brushes and whatever you want can go into this whole thing here. And you carry it around, and it is heavy duty. It's made out of strong canvas. I mean, this thing is thick and good, and it's really lightweight, and it's not so light now because I have stuff in it. But the idea, the concept is great for one of these things here. I'll probably end up filling this up and having it for all my cleaning stuff that I keep around the house. And then as I walk around the house, I'll have my duster and my soap and my different cans. I can fit a whole one of those cans of sanitizing wipes. I like to keep those things here. Just have all that stuff handy and ready to go. So I just walk around the house with this one bag and clean everything. So totally love it. Thumbs up from me for sure. I got this because I knew I wanted it, and I'm glad I did.